Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. You'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, showing one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you've either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding. You want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out, and on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. Place the card on the tray, make sure that it is laying flush. It should be clipped in place fully, and if you flip it over, it should not be falling out. And then you can insert it back into the device. There we go. Once you pop the card back into your phone, it should start working right away. Let's give it a second. I'm gonna quickly check if I don't have... Oh, I think I grabbed a different card that doesn't actually have a pin on it. That's why I didn't get a pin pop-up. So yeah, there we go. As you can see, it did show up that it works right now, and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.